and you're watching Lizzy's TV. So today we're gonna do a recipe for you. It's gonna be whiskey burgers. So we're gonna get started. We have the ingredients here. Have the onion powder, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, Jack Daniel's whiskey, a Budweiser, some ground pepper, and a jiggler. So you're gonna need all these things to mix it up. And we also got the hamburger here, okay? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna start on here by adding some of these ingredients. So I have more than I started out with. So I'm pretty much going to double up some of this stuff. I'm gonna start with this onion powder. And I'm gonna put this onion powder in here. Plenty of it. Garlic powder. Just basically season it to your taste. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. Then we're gonna use this Worcestershire sauce. So since I have a bunch, usually if I have like maybe a pound and a half of hamburger, I will use 1 tablespoon. So I'm using a half a tablespoon right now. So I'm just gonna double it up. So the Worcestershire, that's 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons in here because like I said, this is more than what I anticipated. All right. So I put 3 tablespoons of that in there. And now we're gonna do our whiskey. I think, you don't want to do whiskey? We're gonna do whiskey. I'm gonna go crazy on this one. I'm about to measure this one, I'm sorry. So we got our jiggler here. I'm gonna pour that in. I'm gonna get drunk. I'm drinking this burger. I'm eating this burger. I'm drinking this burger, eating this burger. We're gonna stop right there because I don't want it to be too alcoholic where, you know, the meat and stuff don't work together because I still have to add the beer. And mind you, I did not add any salt. But, you know, that's, you think you need some salt, you go for it. Right? So I'm gonna mix that in. I'm gonna add my black pepper. So I like that, I'm good with that. Now I'm gonna add, I bought a Budweiser. I'm gonna add a little Budweiser in there. I'm not gonna add as much because, ooh, yeah, that's a Budweiser for you, y'all. Look at it bubbling up. So I added a little bit of that. And we're gonna mix this in and then I'm gonna see what my consistency is gonna be. Y'all already know what I wanna add. I might add another jigger in there. As long as it's not real loose. And I am going to add 1 extra jigger. But I'm not going to add the whole thing. So first I use this side. I'm going to turn it around and use this side. And I don't want to have it too much in here. So, and that's that. Now, I'm just gonna mix everything up. Make sure everything is mixed in good. Like I said, you can use your own, however much amount of the seasonings you like. So we still got a pretty good, and almost like meatloaf, but I mean, it's still pretty good. It's still burger pattied up. So, we're gonna get to cooking, and I'm going to cook these burgers, the whiskey burgers, on the Presto Tilt and Fold grill. So even though I did it, my consistency is really not like I wanted it, because I did add the extra whiskey. And I could have probably did less beer than whiskey. So if they fall apart, they still gonna be edible. But we about to do this thing right here. So. And when I flip it, it shouldn't break. These are good burgers, y'all. They smell so good. Oh my God, that smells so good. That smells so good. Try to put as many as I can on here. I don't have any more to cook after that. But I want space in between. Okay. So we got them all on here. And then we're going to let them cook. All that beer and whiskey in here. That's what y'all see on the grill. I can't even get them. Oh, I can't even flip this one. It be like that sometimes. I get him now. Yay! Got him going on. So scrape some of this mess off. All that beer and whiskey. And I just love my little presto, y'all. So the more I cook, eventually it'll stop. All right, we just gonna let them finish cooking. All right, y'all, these dumb burgers right here, they about done. I'm about to put that cheese on there. Them boys look like they gonna be good. Yeah, y'all in Lizzy's kitchen today. That cheese on. You want all of them? All right. Gonna let that cook on down, and then we're gonna take those off. So basically what I did is build this burger the way I like it. So I have mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, onions, tomato, and lettuce. And now I'm about to taste this boy. I'm about to taste these. Put this joker to test and see what we got. Get that out. I don't know, y'all. It look kind of big. I don't even know if I can open it. Oh. That is so good. The consistency is good. Look at that, y'all.
Man.
It's all over my face. That's good. Pretty good. All right, I'm gonna finish eating. If y'all like to get these recipes, whiskey cooking, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can get those recipes. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.